Look, it's no secret. Everybody knows credit unions just give bigger, juicier approvals. So if you're out here applying at the same big banks as everybody else, like Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America, and you're getting denied or getting these little 2K and 3K approvals, you're doing it all wrong. There are 5 credit unions right now quietly approving people for 50K, 100K, even 500 grand in funding, and anybody can join them. Talking $5 deposits, no military requirements, no employment requirements, and I'm about to rank them all for you from worst to best. And number 1, absolute game changer. Welcome back to the Credit with Colin channel, where we talk about how to leverage your credit to get maximum business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran, and I run a real funding company with 25 plus employees. And over the last 6 years, we funded over $110 million in verified approvals. We currently fund about $5 million a month in approvals for our clients. Links to work with my team to fix your credit or get 100K plus in business funding are in the pinned comment and description below. And there's a link to join our school community. When you join our school community, my team will remove hard inquiries on all 3 bureaus completely done for you. You'll get a personal funding plan from me, Big Dog himself, and weekly Zoom calls with me as well. Link for that is in the pinned comment. Now, real quick, before we jump in, I got to keep it real with you guys. A lot of credit union videos on YouTube are just straight clickbait. They'll say, this credit union gives anybody $50,000. Then you apply with a 580 credit score and you get denied, right? Or you get a secured card. That's not what we're going to do here. We're going to be completely transparent, and we're going to tell you how it is, right? We're going to tell you what credit score you need to apply and what products you qualify for, what you can realistically expect to get approved for, and what your monthly payment is going to look like as well, because that's important, right? You got to make sure you can afford it. No fluff, no clickbait, just the sauce, baby. And at the end, I'm even going to put a recap on the screen. As always, you could screenshot to get all the good info. So let's do it. Right, coming in at number 5, we've got Andrews Federal Credit Union, Andrews FCU. Now, most people think this is a military credit union. It's not. Anyone can join through the American Consumer Council, which is a completely free membership right now when you use a discount code. So right off the bat, it costs you nothing to get in the door. Now, here's what makes Andrews interesting. They offer personal loans, auto loans, credit cards, and they have business credit products. We fund some of our clients with their products as well. Their personal loan rates start around 8%, a little more expensive, and they go up to about $25,000. Now, here's who this is best for. This is for people in that 650 to 700 range and getting denied at some of the bigger banks. Andrew's a lot more lenient, and a lot of credit unions tend to be. They have lower approval thresholds because they're not for profit. They're not trying to squeeze every dollar out of you like the big banks are. You see the lawsuits with Wells Fargo, right? The downside, their limits aren't as high as some of the others on the list. But if you're building credit and you need a foot in the door, this is a solid play. And once you have a relationship with a credit union, you can leverage that for limit increases down the road. I tell all my clients every 6 months, softball credit line increase, beef up those limits, baby. Relationships matter. That's number 5. Number 4 is Pentagon Federal Credit Union. Another one people think is military only, and I used to think so too back in 2018. It absolutely is not. Anyone can open a savings account with a $5 deposit. That's it, $5. Here's why PenFed is on the list. Their personal loans go up to $50,000 with rates starting as low as 8%. Now, they pull Equifax, which is huge because not a lot of banks these days pull Equifax. They do a soft pull for pre-qualification. So you can check what you qualify for without it hitting your credit. Come on, man. If you've been watching my channel, you know how important that is. Hard inquiries kill your funding sequence. Soft pulls are the play, and there are very few around these days, so take advantage of it. Now, let me break down what a 50K PenFed loan looks like. At their best interest rate, you're looking at roughly $1,000 a month on a 60-month term loan. At the average rate for a 700 score, probably closer to $1,100 to $1,150 a month. Now, I'm telling you the real numbers because I want you to go in with your eyes open and understand what that payment's going to look like. Make sure it's for your use case. Now, PenFed also has some of the best auto loans in the country. The one thing I will say, their approval takes a few days whenever we run clients. It's a little longer. Other loans fund at 24 hours, but the rates are worth it. That's number 4. Number 3 is Lafayette Federal Credit Union. If you've been researching credit unions, you probably heard about this name before, right? There's a reason everybody's talking about Lafayette. Now, let me tell you why. Anybody can join through a $10 donation to the Salvation Army. Come on, baby. $10 and you're in. That's it. Once you're a member, you have access to personal loans up to $50,000 at rates starting around 899. Now, they have a REDI cash line of credit, which is also up to $50,000. Now, here's what I need you to understand. A lot of people see $50,000 and they think they're getting $50K on day one. Be realistic, guys. I've had clients approve for 15K. We get some clients in a 35K range, right? Those are real numbers on day one. You got to work your way in with them. Can you get 50K? Maybe with 800 plus, maybe with really good income, verifiable income. But I'd rather you expect to get 15K and get surprised with a 35K than expect 50K and they get disappointed when you get hit with 20K. What Lafayette does better than a lot of other credit unions is look at your full financial picture. They're not just pulling your FICO and making a decision, right? They look at income, DTI, and your banking relationship and your history. So if you've got a strong income and manageable debt, but your score isn't perfect, Lafayette gives you a real shot. Now, some people say Lafayette's rates are too high. It's on the higher end of the spectrum, right? 9% starting is not 0% interest like we get for our clients. But compare that to a credit card at 24% or a hard money lender at 15%. It's not too bad. In that context, it's pretty competitive, I think. So for an unsecured loan with no collateral, that's number 3. Number 2, I love this one, Alliant Credit Union. We've been funding this one since 2019, since I first got started in the game. Bankrate literally named Alliant the best credit union in America in their 2025 awards, and almost nobody's in the funding space talking about them. They kind of dried up after like 2022. Now, here's why Alliant deserves to be this high. Personal loans up to 100K. That is double what most credit unions offer. Most offer like 35 or 50. Rates start at 8.99 with terms from 12 all the way to 60 months, and they fund as soon as the same day you're approved, right? So that's pretty cool. Anybody can join Alliant. The easiest path is a $5 donation, $5 to foster care to success, which Alliant does for you. So it's essentially free. Now, I got to keep it 100% honest with you guys. Alliant has a 90-day seasoning period before members can actually qualify for a personal loan. So you can't just join today on this video, take action, and apply now. I appreciate the initiative. Got to open the account, season it for 90 days, and then apply. But here's why that's actually a good thing. During those 90 days, you set up direct deposit, move some transactions through there, and build a relationship. By the time you apply at day 91, you're not a random app. You're a member with activity, and this gets you better approval odds, higher limits, and a chance of getting a no-doc approval. I've had clients use this strategy before and get approved for 40K Alliance. The 90-day wait is totally worth it if you're looking for a low-interest personal loan, a high-limit personal loan of 100K. That is we've seen $60,000 approvals as well, around 10% lately, and we've seen even $75,000 too. 60K loan at a 60-month term, and 10% interest, the payment is about $1,275 a month, all right? So that's very doable if you're leveraging it into the right opportunity. That's number 2. And number 1 is a credit union I don't hear too many people talking about lately. We love them. First Tech Federal Credit Union. And here's why First Tech is number 1, and it's not even close. Their personal loans go up to $500,000, $500,000, right? You read that right. Most banks won't even do 100K unsecured. Most credit unions cap at 50 or 35K. First Tech goes up to $500,000. Rates start at 6.99. That is the lowest on the entire list. No application fees, no annual fees, no prepayment penalties. I promise I'm not getting paid by them. They're just that good, right? So if you have almost 2 months to get that capital working before your first payment hits, this is the one you're going to want to apply with. Anybody can join through the Financial Health Foundation. It's a one-time $8 donation and you're in. And that is nothing compared to what you're getting access to. Now, obviously, you're probably not getting 500K on the first application unless you're like a multimillionaire with 800 plus credit score. But here's what is pretty realistic. I've seen profiles with 720 plus scores, good income, low DTI, get approved for 75K, 100K, even 150,000. And we use this in a personal term loan stack, so one of our go-to personal loan lenders. And here's what separates First Tech from everybody else. They also have business lending products, right? Not too many of the ones on this list do. Business credit cards, business lines of credit, and commercial loans. So if you build a personal relationship with them, you can also stack business funding at the same institution and keep leveling up those limits over time. So let me break down a 100K loan at their best rate. I've seen clients get a 100K loan at SoFi and use it to buy a business, right? So 100K loan, their best rate, remember, 6.99 and a 60-month term. That is going to be about $1,980 a month. And at the average rate for a strong profile, maybe 10%, that's about $21,500 a month. So if you're using that 100K to fund a business that's making revenue, making cash flow, if it's the right one, it should be able to pay for itself. First Tech is the #1 credit union that no one's really talking about right now, period. And now you know about it. All right, guys, here is your recap. I'm putting it up on the screen. Screenshot this, save it on your phone, send it to your mom, send it to your friend, send it to somebody who needs to see this. And remember, with all of these, cost you less than $10 to join. That's less than a Starbucks order. Now, I know a ton of you guys are going to ask, what about Navy Federal, Colin? You're in the military, surely you recommend Navy Fed. Here's the thing, Navy Fed's great, but you need military affiliation to join unless you're going to lie about your great granddaddy serving who never did. These 5 credit unions, anybody in the street can walk in and get an account. And honestly, First Tech and Alliant have better rates and higher limits than Navy Fed right now on personal loans from what we're seeing. I said what I said. If you can get into Navy Federal, great. Stack it with these. It's great. But if you can't, you're not really missing out. Don't freak out. These 5 have got you covered. Guys, as always, don't be a mouth breather. Go ahead and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds. Your boy just dropped a ton of value. Also, drop a comment below, even if it's just an emoji. Show me some support. Ask me any question in the comments. I personally answer every single one of them. I really do appreciate you guys. As always, links for credit repair, business funding, and my favorite, school community are in the pinned comment and description below. God bless you, your family, and God bless America. It's Credit with Colin. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.